Today I'm showing you the easiest way to paint flowers, which you can do without needing any particular skills, and you can finish this painting in just seconds. The paper I'm using is 300 GSM 100% cotton cold press watercolor paper, and the weight and thickness of the paper aren't too important for today's painting, as long as you have cold press paper rather than hot press paper. Firstly, I'm using a wet brush. I'm loading some light blue paint and dabbing a few patches of color on paper. You can paint less patches than my example when you try it for the first time, just in case the paint on the paper dries before you're ready to move on to the next step. Secondly, I'm using a rollerball pen to draw from the bottom of the page upwards until it meets one of the color blotches. If your painting is not dry, you can see that at the meeting point, the black color is spreading, and this outcome helps you create a natural flower head. Next, I'm changing to another color to repeat these steps again. Do not draw your lines through any of the previous color blotches if you meet them, but skip over them and continue the line to the blotch above. And finally, I'm adding a few dot elements. Now I'm showing you the second type of plants that you can use this method for. I'm using clean white brush to white a few areas as leaves. We don't have to paint a leaf shape exactly, just create some random small shapes over a simply round area. Lay out the white areas in a way that when you draw your vertical line upwards, you can meet the inside edges of the leaf white areas with your pen in one straightish line. And then I'm using a rollerball pen to draw the line upwards, touching each of the white patches as it goes up. Now we can see that ink of the pen is spreading naturally to create organic and loose shapes. This color appears greenish as my pen is black. If you want to paint with colors, you can use some watercolor paint to dab these white leaf patches first and then connect the leaves using a rollerball pen.